Hi, I'm Namrita Singh. I'm here to help you understand your relationship with money. And all of us are worried about our personal finances at some level. Be it our housing EMIs, our credit card bills, or children's education expenses. Let us build a system to improve our relationship with money. Now, how do we do that? We need to understand where we stand as we speak. What is our net worth and what are our monthly savings? These would be the first steps to start building our relationship with money. What is a net worth? Net worth is nothing but the difference between assets and liabilities. Very heavy words. Let me simplify this for you. Assets are nothing but what we own. Our investments in real estate, our cash and bank deposits, investments into mutual funds, bonds, stocks and shares, even our family jewelry. All this would construe as assets. Now, what are liabilities? Liabilities would be our housing loans, our credit card bills or outstanding, our car loans. The difference between what we own and what we owe is the net worth. So, जो हमारा है और हमें जो दूसरों को लौटाना है. The difference is the net worth. Once we understand what our net worth is, we know where we stand. The next step would be to understand how much are we saving per month. Now, what are savings? Savings are the difference between our income and expenses. So, all of us would have a certain idea about how much are we earning and what our income is. For salaried people, it would be very simple, as there would be a fixed amount hitting the account on a specific date. For some, it can be investment income plus rental income, and for retirees, it would be pension income, right? So, all this would construe as income. Now, what would come under expenses? Expenses would be whatever we are spending on. So, our utility bills, our driver's salary, our maid's salary, our expenses on going for movies, eating out, buying gadgets, all this would construe as expenses. Now, the difference between our income and expenses would be the savings. Now, for some of us, the situation might be very different. In the sense, salary आती तो है, but कहाँ जाती है पता नहीं, right? So, if that is the situation, we need to understand where are we spending. Are we making any unnecessary expenses? Can we control some of the expenses that we are, incurring? As long as we are saving 15 to 20% of our income, we are in a good position. See, all the problems in our life cannot be sorted in one day. Similarly, our money worries and issues with money will never be solved overnight. But if we take these small steps, I think we can build a long-term relationship where our money will work for us and help us lead a better life.